The screen is absolutely beautiful, and the folding mechanism is very much flawless. I love the seamless display. Now, before CES even began, this was probably the most anticipated product on the internet, introducing the Royole FLEXPAI. Whoa, check that out. Complete flexibility. I'm going to give you some specs right here. It is the world's first flexible, foldable smartphone to market as a 7.8-inch hybrid device that can fold 180 degrees, has up to 250 gigabytes of storage, and up to 8 gigabytes of RAM, 2.8 gigahertz, 8-core Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, display resolution of 1920 by 1440 when fully expanded, and comes with a very powerful battery. So this is my first time interacting with the product. I've seen many videos of it online. The screen is absolutely beautiful, and the folding mechanism is very much flawless. I love the seamless display. We've seen some folding phones in the past, and they have a seam in the middle, which disrupts what you're looking at. I do have some questions about use cases for it. I really do think it's more like a tablet as opposed to a phone, because when you fold it, it's still quite bulky. I mean, compared to my iPhone 10, still a little bit wider and thicker. But this is a great starter product for Royole. It really puts the brand on the map to prove this concept of flexible technology. This is where we're headed. We're finding technology and gadgets that blend into our lives as opposed to disrupting. So if we can find more devices and gadgets that are flexible and foldable, why not, right? Royole, thanks for being pioneers in flexible technology. Now, I'm ready to find out more about the company, so stay tuned because we will be interviewing someone from Royole to get the background on the R&D of this product and also who is Royole. Aren't you curious? I am.